Hey, today I have these waterproof rubber boots that have been kindly sent from Trudave. So first off, I wear a size 8 in everything. I got a size 8. They fit perfectly. I will go over the details and then we're going to take them outside in the snow. So these are absolutely waterproof. They're made out of 6mm neoprene. They come about mid-calf, but I absolutely love these. Usually I put on rubber boots and they're just not comfortable or I feel like I get a blister. This has like a breathable mesh on the inside and it's kind of like squishy, so it's just super comfortable. It's got an ergonomic design. It's got a steel shank right here, and look at the traction on these boots. Super great if you are working out in the yard, hiking, just anything. You want to fish, camp, whatever. These are great, but they're kind of an all-season thing because even though they're really well insulated, that breathable mesh just makes it really good. So I love this little tab to pull them on with. They're super easy to get on and off again, which I absolutely love. So let me show you how I get them on and off, super easy, and then let's take them outside. There's no trouble slipping these on and off. Very smooth and easy. So my feet are really warm here and I'm just in regular leggings and socks, but there's enough width around the calf that you could actually wear thicker pants like sweatpants or overalls, jeans, whatever you needed to, thicker socks, and still have enough space. And even though they're kind of loose around my calf, they don't feel like they're falling off whatsoever. Again, just absolute extreme comfort, and the fact that they're waterproof is just an extra plus. So overall, if you're looking for a great quality neoprene waterproof rubber boot, I think this would be a great option.